Hello, this is the second module of my technology portfolio project. In the upcoming weeks, I will be sharing with you some videos and multimodal posts about my exploration of a few apps that are specifically designed for the educational discipline in which I belong, which is science. So for example, today I'm going to take you on a little virtual tour through this app called the Royal Society of Chemistry periodic table. I will be critically evaluating each app that I do and identifying its usefulness in a chemistry classroom with the help of Kathleen Schrock's Technology Evaluation Guide. So let's get started here. Like I said, this is a computer site as well as an app that is available on the App Store or available on Google Play. I'll be showing you the computer version, obviously, because it's bigger and already on my screen. So first off, I think the great thing about this app is that unlike a static paper copy of a periodic table that students might typically be presented with in a high school setting, this app is very interactive and it offers a wide range of knowledge just by hovering over a single element. So you can see as you just put your mouse over an element, a unique symbol comes up that's related to its use in a real-life setting, isotopes, electron configurations, lots of stuff that you obviously don't get by just looking at a paper copy of a periodic table, which I think is pretty cool. So obviously in terms of curriculum connection in a chemistry class, this kind of interactive periodic table could very much alleviate some of the worry about simply memorizing the periodic table, which some students unfortunately think might be the goal of chemistry. I instead think this app does a good job of making it evident that the more important things about studying the periodic table is being able to recognize its patterns and trends and to then apply such trends by making logical predictions about real-world reactions that we encounter every single day. So I think this idea is greatly enhanced in this particular app because of the multimodality that it offers. So for example, each element, if you go up here to videos, each element has its own real-world, it has its own video associated with it that shows you some real-world applications of the element. So for example, if you click on magnesium, you could go to a little clip here, obviously not very long. Tells you some things about the images there. And it's just kind of an engaging video. Maybe this one wasn't such a great one. I watched one earlier about beryllium, I believe. It shows various uses for the elements and the passion of the scientists involved.
This instrument is a dome-shaped device. That dome is a special vessel which is made so we can control the atmosphere inside, and it's fabricated.
You can see the uses of the elements to real chemists all over the
beryllium
world.
that
Each element also has, stop this here, each element also has a podcast available with it. So that might be an option available for more audio learners if that's the way that you tend to learn. So in that respect, I think this app meets Kathleen Schrock's criteria for multimodality, differentiation, user-friendliness, and student motivation. But above all, I think this app exceeds the typical student's expectation of a periodic table and helps to spread that message to them that chemistry is not all about simply memorizing the layout of the periodic table, but rather about understanding what truly makes life possible and what really explains the natural phenomena that we see every day.